In my previous video, I did graphing of quadratic functions, which is in standard form. Now, in this video, I am going to discuss again quadratic graphing using step pattern. So, step pattern can be used to graph quadratic functions in any form. So, you know, there are a couple of forms in quadratic functions. One is standard form like this, other one is vertex form and the factored form. Whatever form, you can apply step pattern to graph. So let's take this example. Y equals 2x squared plus 8x plus 3. So where a is greater than 0. So first step is to find the vertex. So in step pattern, we started with the vertex. Therefore, we have to find the vertex first. In this equation, we can find the x-coordinate of the vertex using this formula, negative b over 2a, so which is negative 2. So b is 8, so negative 8 over 2 times 2, 4. So x-coordinate is negative 2. So that we can plug in x equals negative 2 in this equation, x equals negative 2, then we get y, which is the y coordinate of the vertex. So that is this, negative 5. Then therefore the vertex is negative 2, negative 5. So we first locate this point on your graph, which is this, negative 2, negative 5. After that, from this point onward, we go moving steps like this. So how do we do the steps? We should learn what the step pattern is. So for that, I use this graph, which is y equals x squared, the basic step pattern. So if you drew the t-chart of y equals x squared, it will be like this. When x is 0, y is 0, 1, 1, 2, 2 squared, 4, 3 squared, 9, likewise. So from 0 to 1, you have to step 1 unit up. From 1 to 4, you have to step from 1, 3 units up. From 4, 5 units up to 9. From 9, 7 units up to 16. From 16, 9 units up to 21. So these are the step patterns for basic quadratic graph. So we apply this step pattern for any of our graph, any of our equation. So here we have y equals 2x squared plus 8x plus 3. We are going to draw this. So here in this basic graph, the a is here 1. Coefficient is 1. Here coefficient is 2. Then you will have to change this step pattern. This step pattern. How? Multiply each step by 2, which is your a. So 1 times 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, or each one is multiplied by 2. 1, 3, 5, 1 times 2, 3 times 2, likewise. Then your new step pattern for this equation is 2, 6, 10, 14, and 18. Then you start with your y coordinate. These are y values. This step pattern is applied for y values. So your y, you start from negative 5, you move 2 units up, then you will get negative 3. From negative 3, you move 6 units up. Likewise, you get your new y values. Similarly, always your x value goes by 1 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, always 1. So your x coordinate is negative 2, then negative 2 plus 1, negative 1, negative 1 plus 1, 0, likewise. So these are your new x values. Then your new coordinates are like this, negative 2, 5, negative 2, negative 5, which is this. We found this here. Then these are your new new points, -1, -3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 1, 30, 1, 30. So you move here, negative from -5, you move 1 unit, always 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. Here also you have 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. Here you move up by 1 unit, by 3 units, by 5 units, like this. Here you move by 2 units, 6 units, 10 units, 14 units, and 18 units, like this. Then you draw your new points, -2, -5, -1, -3, 0, 3, 1, 1, 13 here. Likewise, you draw these points. So thereafter, you can draw the image point of each image point here. So then you can complete the graph like this. Then suppose we have here negative, what will happen? Let's look at that. So you have -2x plus 8x plus 3. You know when a is negative, it is open downward, but it will be reflected on this here using step pattern. So x coordinate of the vertex is 2, y coordinate is 11. So your point is vertex point is 2, 11, which is here. 2, 11 is here. So this is your vertex. So here, since your a is negative, your step pattern is not up but down. Each 1 unit here. So you multiply by your a, -2. So first step pattern for basic is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then you multiply each step by -2. Then you get -2, -6, -10 down. So x coordinate is this, y coordinates are this, then new points are these points. Then you can start from this to 2, 11, then 3, 9, 4, 7, 5, -7, likewise. Then you can do the image point of this on line of symmetry, this image, 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 then you can complete the graph. Full graph you can complete. That's how you use the step pattern. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, you can make any comments on that below.